y'all, come on in. We're at Jack Fry's in Louisville, Kentucky. It is almost impossible to get a reservation here. You have to try back in like March, and we've been on the wait list, and we got it last minute.
I reckon there's two kinds of derby parties in this world, and I didn't grow up going to the expensive one. I ain't like her corporate boys in their seersucker suits. My interests lean more toward leisurely pursuits. She asked me to a derby party, I showed up in boots. It was clear she wasn't the one, and it wasn't my kind of fun. I know better ways to spend my weekend afternoons than chewing fat with climbers fed on silver spoons. Yeah, I passed on sipping juleps, I blame it on the boons. Wide brim hats and fine chantilly lace, Lord, they never even noticed the race. Singing real slow, my old Kentucky home, swaying underneath a sycamore tree. Watching each other strike poses, not the run for the roses, with that mint julep sipping bourgeoisie. Checking the Dow Jones, glued to their phones, I couldn't get out of there fast enough for me. From idling chauffeurs, bow ties and loafers, my poor Kentucky derby party. I started daydreaming about mudding in my truck, tuning out debutantes, yapping about makeup, picturing a table full of chicken, red Solo cups, a country girl with a smile on her face. Now that would be my kind of place. Singing real slow, my old Kentucky home, from my place in Pulaski, Tennessee, we don't strike pose, just wash them trucks down with hoses and laugh at the dirt on our jeans. No Dow Jones, no suits or colognes, just a cooler humming behind me. From lawn chairs leaning, kids still screaming, my Kentucky Fried Derby party. Sun going down on a dust-covered drive, frying bird legs, just glad to be alive. Radio crackling, wailing, singing low, Sharpie nicknames taped to mason jars of straws. If there's a race going on, Lord, I wouldn't know. Singing real